friends, it's Anna May here, and today I've had this idea for quite some time, and that was to do a Pinterest makeup tutorial. Now I have to find the tutorial. So I went onto my Pinterest app to find a Naked Heat makeup tutorial. Side note, I've had this palette for a bit, and I feel like I do the same look with it all the time, which is a little color here, a little color there, and then glitter. So I wanted to mix it up. So I went to Pinterest. I just typed in Naked Heat tutorial, and then I was scrolling and scrolling and scrolling for quite a long time. But then I found the perfect picture. It just gave you numbers of what to use with no end result, and it was perfect for a video. I'm using the picture shown here, and we're gonna try to make it work. And I don't know what it's gonna look like, but I have to go out in a few hours, so this will be great. Oh boy. As always, all products that I will be using will be listed down in the description below. Alright, so getting right into it, I'm showing off the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. Next, we're gonna tape down our eyes to prevent the shadow from going everywhere and to keep it in one harsh line. Now, we're priming the eyes. Primer's bullshit. Always use concealer. Blend it out. Make sure you do both sides. Now, I am taking a bone color and I'm going in. Oh, now I'm going in with a darker color and putting that on the outer V and stretching that over the crease, and I do that for both sides, and this is going so fast and I am panicking. Alright, so I think I'm going back in with that same color or a darker color, and I'm just going in and I'm blending it out for the gods. Yeah, I recorded this a long time ago. I don't remember all the colors that I'm using. So I think I'm going in with a darker color, and I'm focusing it on the outer V again, because why not? And, you know, make sure you do the other side too, because you don't want to look ridiculous with one side just eyeshadow done and the other side nothing. So I think I'm going back in with a darker color or that same color and defining the outer V. I don't know. Okay, so I think I went in with a darker color. Here's the thing. This was a Pinterest makeup tutorial. I have no idea what's going on. Again, I have no idea what's going on. I think I'm putting like the darkest glitter shadow that they have on the eyelid. Okay, playing it back now, it looks ridiculous. Why did I do this? Oh god. Now I think I'm just putting a highlight shade and Anna from the future here, and I'm coming at you with my dumb ass forgot to screenshot the Pinterest makeup tutorial that I was using, and I can't find it anywhere. So this is a not so tutorial on Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. I can't believe I did that. Who does that? Only me. You can't forget about the inner corners. Absolutely not. And, you know, brush away the fallout. And, I'm taking eyeliner, thank God. And I struggle, and we gotta get some new one, and I struggle some more, and it's grand old time. Eyeliner to spruce up your look and make it look better. Or worse. Whatever side of the spectrum. Oh, peel porn! Yeah, and now I'm just defining the wing to make it sharp, to cut a bitch. Now, mascara time. I don't use false lashes. I use mascara. And, oh, we're done.